Just put a weight on the key. What weight? I don't have any weight. There's nothing that'll stay. Wait. Okay, can I ask you dudes a question? Is it cannibalism to feed grilled chickpea to a chickpea? I was just thinking about that. Do people feed chicken to chickens? Or are chickens like vegetarian? Wait, what? What? Wait, sorry, the camera's dying. What do you mean wait, chickens eat chickens? Camera's done, let me plug it in. Okay. What do you